Hello everyone, welcome to the School of Meditation Rocks. I'm Lucy and this is your place to breathe, feel calm and to feel good. It's easy. All you have to do is listen to my voice and let's enjoy this adventure together. So go and find somewhere comfortable to sit and let's get started. Hello, welcome to the School of Meditation Rocks. Have you ever used one of these before? These little whiteboards. Maybe you've got a bigger version up on the wall where you are. And the great thing about these whiteboards is that you can write whatever you want to write and then you can wipe it clean and you start again. And that's a bit like our day, isn't it? We start with a nice blank whiteboard and then we add bits to it as we go through the day. And then at the end of the day, we can give it a little wipe clean, ready for the next day. So this meditation is to help us to feel calm, but it's also about thinking about new starts and back to school and a new day. So wiping that whiteboard clean for the next day. So get yourself very comfortable wherever you might be, and you can choose, of course, whether you want to keep your eyes open and watch the screen or close your eyes and just have the pictures imagined in your own head. And let's bring our thumbs and our fingers together for our School of Meditation Rocks glasses, and then pop the glasses down on our lap or our knees, ready for our meditation time. So if you'd like to close your eyes, you can do so now, or otherwise you can keep your eyes open and you'll see a whiteboard appear on your screen. And let's take some nice, long, deep breaths. And we'll take our 3 magic breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And we do this 3 times. And every time we breathe out, we just try and relax a little more. And then if it's comfortable for us, we close the mouth and start to breathe in and out through the nose. And I'd like you to imagine or to look at the whiteboard. And you can see that the whiteboard is empty. And I'd like you to imagine that you have a pot of all different colours. And you can begin to write your name and words, pictures and shapes on your whiteboard. You can draw lines. You can even have a game of noughts and crosses. So eventually your whiteboard is beginning to fill up with pictures and words, one by one. A different colour pen used each time. And now you can see that the whiteboard is getting busier and busier. And this is a little bit like our mind during the day, as we think lots of things and we do lots of things and we say lots of things and we feel lots of things. Our whiteboard in our mind is getting really busy. So it's time to give it a little clean. So take 3 magic breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And I'm going to hand you a little cloth to give your whiteboard a clean. So we'll start at one of the corners and we'll slowly move across the top of the whiteboard, taking with it any of the words or the pictures that we've drawn. And then come down a little bit and then go from one side to the other, wiping with your cloth, taking any of the pictures or the words that we have drawn. And you continue to do this, working from one side to the other, from left to right, right to left. And soon, almost all of the words and pictures and lines are gone. You've cleaned your whiteboard. Just like at the end of the day, we can take some deep breaths and just let go and feel relaxed. Cleaning the mind of all of the things that we've said, that we've done, that we've felt, leaving ourselves a nice clean whiteboard for the next day. So maybe in your mind now you can picture an empty whiteboard, perfectly clean and ready for a new start. You wouldn't know that anything had ever been written on there before. All of the marks are gone. So let's take some nice deep breaths as we look at the empty whiteboard. A fresh start, a new beginning. And as we breathe deeply, we can relax all of the muscles in our body, from our toes and our feet to our legs, to our tummy, relaxed, our hips and our back, our chest and our shoulders, relaxed, our arms, hands and fingers, relaxed, our neck, our head and our face completely relaxed, calm and relaxed, ready for a new start, a new beginning, just like the clean and empty whiteboard. And you know with an empty whiteboard that you can draw or write anything, a world of opportunity and possibility. I wonder what you'd like to write on your whiteboard. How do you feel about having this blank board in front of you? Are you excited? I bet you've got lots of ideas. Let's take 3 deep breaths together to finish, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And if you've had your eyes open for our meditation today, perhaps you can just close them for a moment and notice how you feel. And we can begin to wiggle fingers and toes, maybe taking a little stretch, and let your breathing be comfortable for you. And you can bring your hands together and give them a little rub. Create some warmth and some heat. And then hovering the hands over the eyes. You can open your eyes inside your hands when you're ready. And bring your hands down away from your face in your own time. And I hope you enjoyed our whiteboard meditation. And if you go to the School of Meditation Rocks website, there is a whiteboard printable for you to continue your experience. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.